So if you're wondering where the notes are that I was just talking about, they're right here, analyzing characters in fiction. That's what you're going to be writing on. Okay. So that's what looks like this. If you haven't figured that out, hopefully you have. Okay. So you should have this slide done. Now, this is what I'm going to be checking for a grade. We're looking at Mrs. Zamora, our chapter. She's the Leah's mom in chapter 3. We're going to analyze her. So, what does she say to Brent or to Brent's parents or to the mediator that indicates what kind of person she is? We can tell that she's a really genuinely good person because of how emotionally rational she is about this, how she talks about how this all happens for a reason. And so we know that she's pretty phenomenal character. Um, when it comes to what does she do, the show is good kind, think of the journey that she sends Brent on. That's what you want to look for when you're doing this. So the talking about the whirligigs in the four corners, that's kind of the actions that we're looking at. So that's what you can put on number 2. And number 3 is, what do others say about her? Even though she is this pretty remarkable character, think about how Brent's parents respond to her, um, how Brent responds to her, whether that's mentally or things that he actually says. But this is what you're going to be answering, and this is what you're going to be submitting for a grade. Okay. Once you're finished with this, then you're going to go back into your independent reading book and you're going to read for the rest of the class if you have any time left. Okay. All right. I will be grading this and we are going to be starting on something new starting tomorrow. Okay. Have a good day and I'll see you tomorrow.